Welcome to WAICAM. My name is Wealth, and in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you on how to train your AI to understand you. Right? Please, before we continue, if today is your first time to watch my video, please do well to subscribe, click the notification button, and please comment. Right? Now, let's proceed. How to train your AI. Now, most of you have been using these AI tools like ChatGPT and others without you just use it to search without that tool knowing who you are. Now, AI tool is your personal assistant. All right, AI, not the tool rather, is your personal assistant, and you are going to employ that AI to be your personal assistant to solve your simple and complex tasks for you. All right. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to teach you how to do that. Right. But before I teach you how to train your AI, you have to understand what AI is because you will not be able to use what you don't know. That is where you have been having this issue. All right. Now, just type there in your chat GPT. Tell your chat GPT is a simple code. Who am I? Then see what um the system will give you. All right. So in this training, um, I design it to help you understand and use artificial intelligence, that is AI, tools with your smartphone and PC for content creation, productivity, business growth, and income opportunities. Now, over the next few minutes, you will learn practical skills that can help you create content faster, design graphics apparently, edit videos, generate images, grow social media accounts, improve productivity, and create opportunities for income. Right? This training is practical, which means learning by doing. So now, what you have to understand what AI is. What is AI? AI is simply artificial intelligence, all right, and it is a technology that enables computers and applications to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Okay, just put it simply that AI is a smart digital assistant that can help you think, write, create, research, and solve problems faster. Okay, for example, it can write content, it can answer questions, it can design graphics, it can edit videos, generate images, and translate languages, which I have done over and over. Okay, how does AI work? AI learns from large amount of information and data. When you ask AI a question, it searches through what it has learned and provides the best possible answer. Hardly AI will tell you I don't have answer to your question, except it is not a conversational and interactive AI, or except it's not a robust AI. Let me put it that way. All right. So think of AI as a very fast assistant that has read millions of books, articles, and websites. Okay. So the better your instruction to it, the better the result you receive from it. Now, what are the benefits of AI? Number one, it saves time. It increases productivity, create content faster, learn new skills, improve business operations, generate ideas, automate repetitive tasks. For example, instead of spending 1 hour writing a Facebook post, AI can help you create five, 10, as many as you want within few seconds. Right? Now, what are the common uses of AI? Today, AI is used in education, healthcare, banking, businesses, marketing, content creation, customer service, and entertainment. So it's used in so many ways. Now, what are the difference between AI tools and AI models? All right. An AI model is the underlying mathematical engine trained on vast data sets. that processes information and recognizes patterns. So there's difference between the tools and the model. So model is the engine, all right? Now, what is the tool? An AI tool facing is the user facing software, all right, or application built around that model, designed with a functional interface to help users complete specific tasks. For example, your smartphone and the operating system in it. If you are using a Samsung smartphone or iPhone, the software in it is the model. That's just the difference between the tool and model. So don't be confused again. This is it. Model, the tool. The tool is the name. Model is what solves your problem. All right. Like ChatGPT is a model. The is a tool. ChatGPT is a tool. The model is using is GPT. GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. That is it. And most of the AI tools are using this GPT, which is owned by OpenAI. Okay. Now, another thing you have to know is the difference between um, generative, conversational, and interactive. Now, interactive AI tool are used by companies, banks, or models rather. AI models are used by companies and banks most times when you have issues with your banking app and all that, or your account. You go, you chat on their website or with your app, and you see a particular thing responding to you. You ask question, it responds. You ask question, it responds. That is interactive model that has been programmed. Now, take note: interactive model is limited, right? It's limited in knowledge. It only responds to you what has been programmed into it. It does not have the capacity to generate its own idea or solve the problem that is not programmed, just like the banking um, interactive chatbot. All right. Now, the conversational AI can generate something that was not programmed into it to solve your problem, right? So it can converge with you and interact with you. You ask question, it answers, even when the question is not there. Meaning that conversational AI has been trained with so much information, like the whole world, into it. So it has something to tell you. It has something to talk. Always answer. All right. So it's built both interactive and conversational. Now, generative AI are the ones that generate images and videos. All right. Most of the AI tools you are using are just interactive and conversational. Some of them are not generative. Some are built all in one: interactive, conversational, and generative. The difference is, if you go to some of the video or image generators, what they do, you enter your prompt and they give you what you want. Sometimes what they give you is not exactly what you want. You begin to edit the prompt. Now, the one that is both interactive, conversational will suggest something to you, but generative will not suggest something to you. All right. So that's the difference. Like View 3 and all that, they are just generative. Now, some are built like Gemini, some are built like that. ChatGPT are built both generative but images. Some are built both generative but images. Some are built all generative, including images and video, just like Grok. All right. Gemini does that as well. So these are the differences between the tools and module, right? Now, what are the image generative model? We have the GPT image model, we have the imaging, we have the Gemini Pro image, we have the uh, My image, we have the Grog image, we have the CDRAM, right? We have the ideogram, we have the Recraft, right? We have the Nano Banana, the Midjourney. These are image generative model. Then for the video generative module, we have the Sora, which is owned by AI, OpenAI rather. Sora, Sora 2, we have the Veo 3, which is owned by Google, and Omni, which has just been launched. We have the Sedans 2.0 by ByteDance, right? We have the Cling 3.0 that's by Korshaw. We have the Runway Gen, and so on and so on. Now, not all these can solve your problems, your specific problem. So you have to choose which one meets your needs. So these are the difference between the tools, both generative and interactive conversation as well. So make your choice. All right, let's move to training our AI. All right, now you have to train your AI to understand are, who you are, so that whenever you want to solve your problem, the AI will be able, or whenever you have issue, the AI will be able to solve that problem. So let's move on to um, that. I'm going to use ChatGPT. Right now, if you're a first timer to ChatGPT, this is what you do. Type there on your browser chatgpt.com, and in a fast login, use your um, Google account, which is very fast to log in. So I'm going to use my Google account. I'm going to use a fresh account that I've not used before, so that you see how I am going to um, do these things one after the other. Right? I'm using a brand new account. That's why you're seeing this. So I enter the age, right? And this, it will ask you for this as well. So just enter your age and move on. Enter your name, use your real name. That is the name. Um, Wealth Creative AI and Media Academy, which is WAICAM. Right, here we are. Now, I told you to ask a question. Now, I would tell this AI, all right, I need you, okay, continue. It will come up in yours, do the same thing. I say I need you to, right? I need you to write a professional profile about me. All right. Um, Let me see. Now, I would be happy to see the response. To write a professional profile that feels authentic and compelling, I will need a bit of information about you. It does not have anything concerning me. Please answer these questions. Bullet points are fine. Full name or the name you would like to use, current job, title or profession, years of experience, industry or areas of expertise, key skills, 5 to 10 skills, major achievements, all right, or accomplishments, education and certifications, optional. What makes you unique professionally? Career goals or the type of opportunities you are seeking. Who is the profile for? LinkedIn, CV, resume, company website, personal website, and blah 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 blah. Now that is fine. Okay. Now we are going to employ this guy, right, as our personal assistant. Number one. So I'm going to tell it I am employing you as my personal, sorry, assistant slash secretary. Okay. Okay. I like using multiple things and advice. So I will be calling you or addressing you as WAICAM PA, right? So I'm employing it now so that it will understand me. Say, thank you. I'm happy to take on that role. You can call me WAICAM PA, and I will respond to that name during our conversations. As your personal assistant, secretary, and advisor, I can help with things like managing your schedule and planning tasks, drafting emails, letters, reports, and messages, researching topics, and summarizing information, brainstorming ideas, and helping with decision making, organizing projects, and creating action plans, providing reminders, checklists, and all that and all that. See what it has listed now. I'm going to tell it now. All right. Um, I need you to give me. I will use 10 for mine. You can use more, right? You can use more for yours. Okay, let's just. I will use 10 for mine. All right. I need to give me 10 questions, including my personal data, including my personal data, right? Slash bio. So um, so you can use it to build a robust and professional knowledge base for me and my brand. Like I said, you can increase yours to 20. All right. Now, this is where people have issue. I need you to I need you to give me 20 simple, be clear, be specific, right? Whenever you are talking to your AI, be specific, be clear. Talk to your AI as if you are speaking to your PA you employed. Now, training your AI is the same process or similar to you training your PA you just employed. You take the PA around the company and send the PA to training, all right, to be able to cope and work with the company, understanding everything about the company. That's what you are doing with the AI. Okay. So now I've told it, I need you to give me, if you want it to give you more complex, more professional questions, just do that. All right. I need you to give me 20 simple questions. You might remove simple in yours, including my personal data and bio, so you can use it to build a robust and professional knowledge base for me and my brand. What you are feeding the AI is called knowledge base. It has to have a knowledge base of you and your brand and everything. All right. So I've done that. Now I send. Now, excellent idea. A well structured knowledge base will help me give you more um, assistant advice, consistent advice, rather, right in your voice and supports your personal and professional goals. Here are 20 simple but comprehensive questions. Your answers will become the foundation of your personal and brand knowledge base. Basic idea. Now, basic identity. What is your full name, preferred name, and any professional titles you use? Personal introduction. How will you describe yourself in 3 to 5 sentences? So now you are going to fill all these questions, right? Now copy them to your notepad or your Microsoft Word, answer them, then you bring it back. Now, um, just do yours. We'll return back to feed it with the details. See you in few seconds. All right. Welcome back, guys. Now we are done writing the knowledge base, answering the questions. So it's for us to copy and paste. So let's do that. Okay. Um, I've copied mine. So I will tell it now. Um, here, here is my. Okay, let me paste it first. I've pasted my knowledge base. So I will now tell it. Um, here is my knowledge base. Now take note. Yours may not be with um brand. All right. It may be a personal knowledge base. So it depends on what you want to use it for. For okay, this one is for brand. Um, it all together, right? So now here is my knowledge base. Take note of this. Save it in the database for future reference. Most people have written their knowledge base but did not save, so they struggle with it. Now, when once you save it, the system will, whenever you want to do anything, the system will fetch from where you have saved. Now, one of the advantage of training your AI and feeding it with your knowledge base is to, now the AI will work like you are the one. For example, if you are writing a resume, you are writing a proposal, you are writing a project, you are writing a report, right? The AI will do everything as if you are the one, using your name, using your credentials and everything. So you won't lay a hand on anything. Just tell it, this is what I want to do. I want you to do it for me professionally. And you see everything done. Just keep updating your knowledge base. That is it. So I've written. So next thing now is enter. You see, done. I've saved the core long term aspect of your WAICAM brand knowledge base into memory so I can use them as the default context in future conversations. Going forward, when you ask me to create a review content for WAICAM, I will automatically align it with your saved brand identity, including official name, World Creative AI and Media Academy WAICAM. Tagline: learn, create, automate, lead. Mission, vision, and brand purpose, and all that, and all that. So remember what we did before. Now I'm going to open a new chat and we tell it, right? Write me a Facebook. Okay. Write me, yeah, write me a Facebook page professional description. That is it. Wealth Creative, blah, 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 empowers individuals and entrepreneurs. That's it. Now, it has something to talk about me. I go to another chat and I say, I need you to write a short description of what you know about me. It has something to say about me. You are focused on building impactful educational initiatives at the intersection of artificial intelligence, media, and digital innovation. You lead World Creative AI and Media Academy WAICAM, a brand dedicated to equipping learners with practical project-based skills in AI, multimedia automation, leadership, entrepreneurship, and emerging technologies. Your vision emphasizes creating future-ready images, right? Future ready individuals through hands on learning, innovation, and digital transformation, guided by the motto learn, create, automate, lead. So you see it now from our conversations. That's what I know about you. Now it has something to talk about me now. So do that in your own and see what the result will look like. So that is how to train your AI. Stay connected. Check my next video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button because I'm going to do another lesson on how to use your AI you have trained to, you know, do other things like write report, write resume, write project, and other things. We have started. Join me as we continue step by step until we get there. Thank you for being a part of this training today. See you in the next video. Bye.